Hello YouTubers, in this video I'm going to connect Bluetooth streaming audio to my factory Ferrari stereo. Hi there, my name is Seb and you're watching Seb's Supercar. In this video I'm going to be installing a Bluetooth transmitter receiver to my factory original Ferrari stereo. This was manufactured by Becker and it does not have Bluetooth. This stereo is manufactured for Ferrari 360, 550 and some other models. And what we're going to be doing is using a new third-party Bluetooth transmitter receiver that's going to connect to the CD auxiliary inputs on this stereo. I purchased a Bluetooth transmitter receiver on Amazon. You can buy it on Amazon, on eBay. This was less than $20 US. And it's specifically manufactured to use the OEM connectors of this Becker manufactured Ferrari stereo. The one thing I won't be able to do with this particular unit that I bought is actually take phone calls hands-free through the Bluetooth. And that's because there is no microphone and microphone input on that particular device that I bought. There may be some out there that have the same OEM Becker connector, but the one that I have doesn't. Now to remove the factory stereo, you're going to need these two keys. So if you don't have them, you can buy these also on Amazon, specifically for the Becker stereo. And what you do with them is you insert them. There's these two little slots underneath each of the knobs that they fit into. You hear them snap in, and then you grab a hold, and the stereo just nicely comes out. So it basically just presses back in these clips that are holding it in place. And now we can disconnect the stereo. Now we have to disconnect the connectors at the back. So this is the CD controller, which we're replacing with the Bluetooth controller. Then we've got our speakers connector, and then our power connector, and this is your antenna. Now the unit's free. So this model stereo is the Becker BE4377, but I believe this will work with some other models. On the back of the unit, I've removed it already. I'm going to be connecting to connector C, which is at the top, and you'll see that the Bluetooth transmitter just connects nicely right into their OEM fit. So I'll pre-connect it now and install it into the car. Now I'm going to connect my unit back up to first the power connector, and then the speaker connector. I've already got the Bluetooth transmitter connector, and I'm just going to make sure that those wires are going to clear. Now I'm connecting my antenna for my radio. There we go. And just gently feed this back, making sure that the wires are not going to get caught. Just like that, and then snap it in place. There. Everything's installed. It's time to test to make sure that everything's working as expected. Turn the power on. And of course, we're gonna have to re-enter the factory code for the stereo. It's a security mechanism, and I have mine here. Okay, so my stereo is working, which is great. Now we're going to test Bluetooth. So switch to auxiliary. My Bluetooth is connected. Now for the moment of truth. That's the intro from my YouTube channel, playing through the stereo. Switching it back to FM. So there you go. Nice straightforward project for anyone that wants to add Bluetooth streaming audio to their Ferrari 360, 550, and many other models that use this Becker factory OEM stereo. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it. Please subscribe to my channel so you can enjoy some more of my content and my journey with this beautiful Ferrari 360. Thank you for watching.